Good morning, learners! Are you excited for today's lesson? Come and join me in an awesome adventure in music, arts, PE, and health. Dahil sa Mapi 8, isip ay siksik, katawan ay liliglig, kaya halina at matuto with Ma'am A.
PE 8 Quarter 2 Lesson 6 Basic Skills in Futsal. Lesson objective: execute the skills in sports. Let's review again what are the basic skills in futsal. First, we have ball control. It is an offensive strategy in which a team tries to keep possession of the ball for extended period of time. Ball dribbling is an offensive strategy in which a team tries to keep possession of the ball for extended period of time. Passing is the act of sending the ball to a teammate. Kick is used by players to pass the ball to their teammates. Shoot, hitting the ball in an attempt to score a goal. It is usually done using the feet or head. Activity time. PEQ 2L6 Futsal Skills. Identify the skills shown below. This is for numbers 1, 2, and 3. Next, number 4, 4, 5, and 6. Identify the skills shown below, numbers 7 and 8. And last one, identify the skills shown below, numbers 9 and 10. Here is for your performance task entitled The Lead Game. PEQ 2L6 Knock the Bottle. This is a game used in sharpening and maintaining basic skills in futsal, like dribbling the ball with the use of your feet, passing with your feet left and right, and practicing shooting or to goal while enjoying the training. Reminders: in doing this activity, be sure to warm up, be in your PE uniform or active wear, observe safety precautions, look for a partner that will video your performance. Do this for 5 minutes with at least 10 bottles knocked. Materials and procedures. Use materials that can be used as marker like chair or cone. Be resourceful, at least 5 markers. Distance the markers about 3 feet. Empty bottles. Dribble the ball with your feet between barriers, alternately right and left foot. When you reach the end of the barrier, control or stop the ball. Kick the ball in the middle with your dominant foot, then target the empty bottle. Repeat until you knock the bottle 10 times. And that is all for today's lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share for more Mapi 8 lessons.
What an awesome adventure we had today. I hope you learned a lot. Remember that a sound mind is a sound body. See you again for the next adventure in music, arts, PE, and health 8.